A clear software comparison starts now. An AI voice will continue the walkthrough. Tastytrade takes a radically transparent approach to pricing, which is one of its strongest differentiators in an industry often filled with hidden fees and layered subscriptions. There are no platform fees, no monthly subscriptions, and no tiered plans to navigate. Stock and ETF trades are completely commission-free to open and close, including fractional shares, making Tastytrade immediately cost-efficient for both long-term investors and active equity traders who want predictable, low-friction pricing. Where Tastytrade truly defines its identity is in options pricing. Opening an equity or ETF options contract costs $1 per contract, while closing the position is completely free. On top of that, there is a built-in commission cap of $10 per leg, which is extremely powerful for traders using multi-contract strategies, scaling positions, or managing high-volume options portfolios. Once the cap is reached, any additional contracts in that leg are effectively free to open, significantly reducing marginal costs as position size increases. For futures traders, Tastytrade maintains the same straightforward pricing philosophy. Standard futures contracts are priced at $1 per contract per side, while micro futures are lower at 75 cents per contract per side. Options on futures cost slightly more but remain competitive compared to traditional futures brokers that often layer in routing, platform, or clearing fees. Cryptocurrency trading is also commission-free, simplifying cost calculations for traders who want exposure without complex fee structures. Feature-wise, Tastytrade is built by traders for traders, with a clear focus on options, analytics, probability-based decision-making, and portfolio-level risk management rather than visual charting aesthetics. The platform includes advanced options chains, implied volatility analysis, expected move calculations, probability of profit tools, and intuitive strategy builders that allow traders to model complex spreads quickly. The interface is intentionally designed to surface risk metrics visually, making it easier to understand delta, gamma, and overall portfolio exposure without relying on external spreadsheets. Futures trading is fully integrated into the same environment, allowing traders to manage stocks, options, futures, and crypto from a single dashboard. Education is embedded directly into the platform through live shows, strategy walkthroughs, and research content that closely mirrors real trading workflows. The strengths of Tastytrade lie in pricing clarity, options-focused efficiency, and a workflow that supports disciplined, systematic trading decisions. Active options traders benefit enormously from the commission cap, while futures traders appreciate low per-contract fees and included market data. However, there are trade-offs. Charting is functional, but not best in class. Customization is limited compared to professional trading terminals. And traders who rely heavily on advanced technical analysis, order flow tools, or footprint charts may find the platform restrictive. International availability is also more limited than some global brokers, reinforcing that Tastytrade is best suited for traders who prioritize options, execution, cost control, and probabilistic thinking over deep technical customization. Now shifting to IUX pricing, and this is a fundamentally different model because IUX operates as a CFD and forex broker rather than a US regulated stock and options brokerage. IUX offers three main account types: Standard, Pro, and Raw. The Standard account requires a low minimum deposit and offers commission-free trading with spreads starting around a few tenths of a pip, making it accessible for beginners and smaller accounts. The Pro account raises the minimum deposit but tightens spreads further while still keeping commission at zero, targeting more active retail traders. The Raw account is designed for scalpers and high-frequency traders, offering spreads from 0 pips with a fixed commission per lot. All account types support very high leverage, up to 1 to 3,000, depending on jurisdiction and instrument, which significantly amplifies both potential returns and downside risk. IUX's pricing structure is attractive on paper especially for traders focused on short-term forex or CFD strategies, where spread efficiency matters more than long-term holding costs. Low minimum deposits, low spreads, and flexible leverage make it easy to get started quickly. However, leverage at this level requires strict discipline, position sizing, and risk controls, and the platform is not designed for long-term investing or options-based strategies. Trading costs are embedded primarily in spreads and commissions rather than explicit platform or subscription fees. Feature-wise, IUX supports popular trading platforms like MetaTrader, which will feel familiar to forex traders coming from other brokers. It offers access to forex pairs, indices, commodities, and CFDs, along with demo accounts for practice and strategy testing. The interface is relatively clean, and deposits and withdrawals are generally fast, which is often highlighted in user feedback. However, the platform does not provide deep educational content, probability-based analytics, or strategy-building tools comparable to an options-focused brokerage. There are no built-in probability models, volatility analysis, or portfolio-level risk tools, so education and analytics are mostly external to the trading interface. On the pro side, IUX offers low entry barriers, competitive spreads, multiple account types, fast funding, and high leverage flexibility. On the con side, it carries higher complexity and risk due to leverage, limited analytical depth, and reliance on external education or tools. CFD trading also introduces counterparty and regulatory considerations that differ significantly from US regulated brokerage accounts. In terms of user feedback, based on Trustpilot data, Tastytrade currently holds a rating of 4.1 out of 5 based on 574 reviews. IUX holds a rating of 4.2 out of 5 based on 876 reviews. As always, reviews are subjective, may vary by region and trading style, and can change over time, so viewers should verify directly on Trustpilot for the most current information. Final takeaway: if your priority is live trading in US stocks and options with transparent pricing, capped commissions, and continuous education built directly into the platform, Tastytrade is the stronger and more specialized choice. If your focus is forex or CFD trading with flexible account types, low minimum deposits, and access to high leverage, IUX may fit that specific use case, but it comes with higher complexity and significantly higher risk. These platforms serve very different traders, so the right choice depends on what you trade, how you manage risk, and whether you value execution-driven education or leveraged short-term trading. If this comparison helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest trading software breakdowns, and click the link below to access the platform that actually fits how you trade, manage risk, and grow with confidence. Not just what looks good on paper.